Hello and welcome back everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today, we're gonna be collecting some Cosmos seed. Now, like any seed, before you store it, go ahead, make sure that it's dry. That could mean waiting a few days after a rainstorm for the seed to dry, or collecting it, putting it in a nice dry spot for a couple of days, maybe a week, and let the seed dry out that way. Myself personally, I don't really care. I'll collect it when it's ready, and if it needs to be dried inside, I'll let it dry inside. That's just how I do things. Now for storing my seed, I do this for all my seed, is I put it in a wax packet and throw it in the fridge. Now if you don't want to do that, just something sealed, something to protect that seed, not let that seed lose all that moisture. And you can also put it in a nice cool dark spot and that'll work just as good. Now I'm also going to show you how when Cosmos seed is ready and when it's not. Let's go have a look, collect some seed, and get started. Let's have a look at the seed here. This is not ready. I can run my fingers on it. The seed's not falling out. It's green. Now coming down here, this one's definitely ready. Just go ahead and collect some seed. That one's a little bit, I'm gonna say over ready. But what you really want to look for is, look at that, something like this. It's still semi closed up, but you can definitely tell that the seed is ready. And we're gonna go ahead and you can take your finger, or do this one hand, and just look at that. All that seed just comes right out. It is as simple as that. Again, you have not ready, and let's take another look here. Definitely ready. Well, that's it everyone. Collecting Cosmos seed is extremely simple once you understand it and know what to look for. And as always, thanks for joining me, and until next time, bye-bye.